welcome to room 6555 aboard the Disney Magic. Yeah, Disney Magic. Yeah. Okay, come on in.
Disney Magic.
Yeah.
Disney Magic.
So what do we have first? Over here.
This is the drawer.
This is the what?
The drawer.
This is the closet.
Closet.
And in your closet you have a safe that, oh, we did use this, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot. I was like, we didn't even use this. We have a safe. You can store some clothes and your life jackets or above head. There is a light that comes on because you have two different sides. But when this door is closed, the light goes off. So even if you have like your luggage in here and it doesn't fit quite well, the light can still go off. So we have our jackets hung up here, and there's a little bit more space here at the bottom where we did have our luggage, but now it currently resides under the bed. So as you come a little further in, we have
Y'all got them flipped.
TV.
I flipped it.
A TV.
So as you come a little further in, we have what?
A TV.
We have a TV. And on this TV, because it is a Disney, you get Marvel on demand, you get Star Wars on demand, you get a ton of movies, Pixar, animated, live action. You get all of that on demand.
They have even Mickey Mouse.
And they have even Mickey Mouse, which means they have TV shows too. So they have Disney TV shows on here, Disney Junior TV shows. And then they have like videos of like onboard stuff. So you won't be bored with the TV if you choose to spend some time in the room. Also on regular TV you get like HGTV and stuff like that. So you know what I like. Above this there is a little cabinet here. You want me to open this?
Sure.
Because we have, some stuff in here. But this has been lived in. So we do have stuff up here. You have two different shelves in which you can store some things. What do we have next?
A drawer.
We have drawers. So you have 4 different drawers here. Where
my ramp here.
Yep, PJ has stored his ramp and monster truck in there. And then we've just been storing like different clothing items and things down here, but we have packed up a little bit to set our luggage out for the night. What's next? What's here?
The refrigerator.
Yeah, we got the refrigerator. You gonna open it and show them what's inside?
Mm-hmm.
So in the refrigerator, we do have a bag which has the milk that I have pumped in there, as well as milk for PJ. So this refrigerator is not just like it says beverage cooler, but it's not just like a cooler, because we've had some refrigerators that do not get as cold as this one. But this one gets pretty cold, which I'm thankful for, because I have milk in there that I do not need to spoil before I can give it to baby girl. Okay. Above here, we do have outlets. We have plenty of outlets. I know outlets is usually a thing that people worry about on cruise ships, because you only get like 1 or 2. But we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have USB ports here. And it's just like outlet overload, which I am thankful for. So don't mind my pumps. We got my pump parts here, but we also have some things plugged up there. And we did still bring the extender, so we have even more outlets.
Yeah, so we got the extender, and then this is actually a converter. So this is plugged into a European outlet, and it converts it to a US outlet. Okay, and then these two also double as a European port and a American outlet. Same on this side right here.
And then you have your glasses there if you want something to drink, or if you have brought something to drink that you want to pour it into. Nice space up top for vanity or storage, which you can see we have all of our storage things here. You do have 2 lights by the mirror, which operates on their own system, so you can turn them on or turn them off. And then to this side of it, you have more storage. So you have another 4 drawers here. And then a seat. Oh, look. You have a drawer here. Who knew?
Oh, we're making Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Yeah. Who knew?
Huh?
Who knew we had that?
I don't know.
I know. I ain't either. So we got that. What do we have next, PJ? Take it away.
The bed.
What do we have on the bed?
A bear.
Yeah, we got a bear and some chocolates. And then what do we have on the side of the bed? What's over there?
Huh?
What's over there?
A phone.
Yeah, we have a phone over there and also outlets. So there is an outlet that doubles as a European and an American outlet right by the phone.
Oh, I found something.
And we have a sticker. Where did that come from? That's not, I don't know if that's ours. We have a sticker.
Yeah, what on the floor?
Oh, okay. Can you open that drawer right there, PJ? There's a drawer right there at the bottom by the phone that PJ just opened up for us, and some outlets as well. Not outlets, I'm sorry, some light switches to turn the lights.
My sticker.
Okay, to turn the lights on and off. So on the other side of the bed, can you go over there?
Yeah. Another drawer.
Yeah, we have another drawer. And we have two outlets on this side that doubles as the European and American outlets, and a light switch. But I think that light switch is only for that light, that lamp above head. So we do have two reading lamps. You can do it. And then we do have two reading lamps, one on either side of the bed.
I'm just going to the background.
Okay. Underneath the bed we have suitcases. You don't have to pull it out, it's heavy. And so these suitcases, like I said, they have transitioned to under the bed. We also have a stroller under the bed. So there's a lot of under bed storage that can fit your suitcases.
In my bed.
Yeah, as well as in the closet. So what's next? A ladder?
Yeah.
So as PJ pointed out, we have
A ladder.
a ladder. And what are you sitting on?
Huh?
What are you sitting on?
A cat.
We have a couch. And the couch also doubles as a bed. But above the couch we have...
In my flippy bag.
Yeah, we have his monster truck and blue bag on the couch. But what do we have above your head?
Huh?
What's this?
Wait, my bed.
Yeah, we have his bed. So PJ has a bed up top. So he's been able to kind of go down and come up and sleep in his bed. Which has been good for us because you can still kind of sit below if you need to, like at night when Dad, aka Phil, is like doing things with the videos and kind of getting them moved over and everything. PJ, right, he still has a place to sit while PJ sleeps. So it's been good to kind of use the above bed instead of the couch as the bed. We also have a table. So this table has been pretty convenient for like the couch use because PJ can put his tablet on there. Phil can put his computer on there. He has his cup on there. So we've been using this table for sure. And it's pretty lightweight to kind of move around and move back and forth. I did not mention this, but we do have a stool, ottoman, or whatever you want to call it. A chair down here that you can sit on for the vanity, but it does not have a back. So if you have back problems, you might not want to sit there to do your makeup or skincare or whatever it is that you want to do at the vanity. Good job. That's how you sit in it?
Yeah.
All right. And so, you okay? Yeah. Okay. What do we have over here?
Huh?
What's over here?
A trash can.
We have a trash can that has both recycling and the trash side. Above the trash can.
When I eat my chips, I put my chip back in the trash.
Yeah. So when PJ eats his chips, he put his chip bag in the trash because he knows where it's at, and we have one in the room. What's above the trash can?
Huh?
What's that?
A Bermuda.
We have a Bermuda.
It's a Bermuda.
We have two mirrors. So we have one full body length mirror where you can kind of check yourself out if you need to in the mirror before you leave the room. And right next to the mirror we have a thermostat, which I have not touched this whole trip, surprisingly. I have not touched it. Maybe because I've just been cold this whole trip. But I have not touched the thermostat. But we do have one right there in the room. And I'm assuming that it works pretty well. Last but certainly, well, not last, because I've got to get the back of the door. So next we have the
bathroom.
Before we get to the bathroom, the TV does come out and swivel if you needed to.
What? When you want to turn the TV this way, so you can sit in the bed.
Right. And then if you're standing up or if you're not in the bed, you can just push the TV back and it's just fine. So it gets out of your way so you can walk to the bathroom if you need to. Yep. And we have Coco on the TV right now.
Yeah. And we have a bathroom.
Yeah. So what's in the bathroom?
A toilet.
Mm-hmm. And?
A sink.
Mm-hmm. And
a bathtub.
Yeah, we do have a bathtub on this cruise.
Yeah.
So in the bathroom, like I said, or like he said, we do have a bathtub, but it also has the shower head that you need if you do not want to take a bath. It's a pretty miniature sized bathtub, I think, for the kids and the babies. We do have a sink, and they usually leave our face towels here, and a nice little place to put.
Are you can wipe your teeth?
Yeah.
Wait, when you sit out, you can put it or wash your hands.
Yep. So that's what we use the sink for. And then we don't have any drawer storage in here. So they do give you a shelf to put things that you've come with and that you use daily.
When you got pee-pee or boo, you gotta go to the toilet.
Right. And that's what we use the toilet for. And then you do have a little bit of light right here.
Yeah, and a mirror.
And another mirror. And it doesn't, it's not a bad lighting. It works. It works for us. We do have
It got
a hair dryer. I did not know what that was, so I had to use it myself.
the one at trash can.
Yeah, we do have a hair dryer and a outlet
And
for
a
shavers.
tissue.
Yeah, and so as PJ just mentioned, we do have
A tissue.
we do have face tissues.
Will you blow your nose?
To blow your nose with, and a trash can right underneath that the room steward kind of tilted out for us so it could be easier to throw things away.
And when you start blowing, then you throw it away.
Yep, so you blow your nose and then you throw it away. We also have a little scrubber over there, but of course we don't use that. The room, I guess we could if we needed to, but the room steward, it typically is the one who uses that.
Yeah, and that toilet paper.
Yeah, we do have toilet paper and extra at the bottom if needed.
When you wipe your butt, when we got poo-poo.
Right. All right. And so last but not least, we have the back of the door, which of course outlines
and another door.
Yeah, which of course outlines, the ship and where to go. If in case of emergency, it tells you what to grab and how to grab it and how to put it on, and kind of gives you the lay of the land of the ship. And then our room occupied sign, which we leave out quite often because we sleep in late. Well, they do. I've been getting up this cruise. And then it's a nice little note, I guess, on the back of the door that talks about smoke detection system that is in the room. So no smoking in your rooms, please. And then because the restroom is up high, there's a watch your step sign there. Right up below the watch your step sign is other light switches. So you have a light above the door, you have lights in the main area, and of course you have lights by the bed. So they kind of control these two, the lights by the door and the lights in the main area, and then the bathroom light is outside the door. The light for the bed is by the bed, which I showed you.
Well, will you watch my tablet and play a game on my tablet?
Yeah, we also have his tablet, but that did not come with the room, guys. It did not come with the room. So that concludes our room tour. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the Spreezy family. We would love to have you over here, and see you in the next one. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.